Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level. So in my previous video, I did mention that market has generated a bullish crossover. Indicators are suggesting that there will be an up move and the market is most likely to trade on a stable to up move side. I clearly mentioned that I don't see any reason for the market to fall and I am expecting market to trade on a stable to bullish mode. So that is the only reason I suggested my market participants to wait for the move that we are expecting and then only jump our gun and make the money. So let me just show you what was my today's recommendation. So today I said go long on Orvindo Pharma, go long on above 753 and target 775. This kind of swing trading, and at 153 uh, I said go long in Nifty with a stop loss of 9930 and target of 10k. So and on the closing time, I also mentioned that hold your longs in Nifty for Monday because I'm expecting a good move. To this move should continue and market should see high levels, and I am expecting a target till 10,030 and 10,080 would be the final resistance for the market, but 10,023 26 should be the easily achievable for the market. So what you need to do is we need to see this yellow line finally trade above the red line. If that happens, we will definitely see a good amount of move on a higher side. MACD has already come into a positive zone. Any further extension on a positive zone will also help us to continue our journey for the upside. Further, you can also see our volatility is also increasing, so increasing volatility suggests that market should go at a higher with a higher pace on a higher side. So that is the only reason I'm considering all the analysis, and then after I have suggested my market participants to hold on to the gains, and definitely I am expecting a good move to continue on a Monday as well. Let us come to option chain data and find out what the option chain data is suggesting. So 9,800 to 10,100 is the option activity range. 100 point move on a 100 upside and 200 points on a downside. What I can see is a call short covering all over the place. 9,800 to 10,050 has seen a good amount of call short covering. Further, 10,100 is the level where I can see a fresh bullish position is being made. So that is also in line with our analysis, and definitely we can see at least a target of let me say 10,030 or 20,020 should be the target on a Monday. Again, on a put side, I can see that fresh put writing has happened. That is again suggesting that market should trade on a stable to bullish side. Uh, Call short covering fresh bullish position on a high level supported by pull writing. This is the best combination you can see on option chart front. So that is again suggesting that market should go up. And what is the most important thing is 9,900 is a level which has seen the maximum addition for the put writing side. 11,48,025 shares has been added. So that is again suggesting that market participants are definitely expecting market should not trade below 9900, and 9950 is the level where we can see percentage wise sentiments are there. And again 10,050 is again a maximum change on open interest has happened for stable to bullish side. So all those things are suggesting that we are going to see a good amount of up move on a higher side, and if market breaks this move 10,030 or 10,090, you can expect a much more higher gains. But for the time being, I am expecting a target of 10,020. If you are with me on my WhatsApp, as I suggested today, I'll definitely watch out and see how the option chain data are behaving and many other analysis that I considered before recommending any trade to my subscriber. I'll do that, and I'll definitely let you know what should you do. So that was the overall analysis for Nifty. Again, let me remind you that I have also suggested that you should go long on a gale. Let me just show you that. Okay. How to pick up a stocks for swing trading stock analysis. So this is the detailed option strategy that I suggested my subscriber, and let me tell you that we have got maximum profit that we should expect in this kind of strategy that we have made. So 13 September was the date I suggested this strategy. So next day my market participants or my WhatsApp subscriber has made this strategy, or I suggested that you should buy Gale above 430 and you can expect much more higher targets as per my video analysis. And stop loss was 393 was which was now triggered, and we did get a good move. And if you can see, Gale was the maximum gainer in today's trade. So as like this, I also recommend many trades to my WhatsApp subscriber with a detailed option strategy. And also, if you want to trade on a cash side, I also recommend whether you should go for it or not, because option gives you a certain edge which the equity will not give you if you like to trade market that way. So it's much safer with option strategy. I also made a several videos on how to trade market considering the option strategy, so you can also watch out that on my playlist. Now let us find out what the bank nifty is behaving, and how the bank nifty is behaving, and how you should trade it in next week. So as I can see, 24,190 is the closing price for the bank nifty. Again, it is trying to form on a higher side. I also did mention in my previous video that 24,000 to 24,200 is the range in which you see the bank nifty will hover around. But the convincing trade will begin when this yellow line will cross the red line from below, and again the MACD should come and trade in a positive zone, and volatility should go down. So that was my overall analysis for the bank nifty, and that is the only reason I said if you want you can also go and write 24,000 put option. But I always recommend for the nifty you can go uh, although you should not always go and trade with the naked position, but for bank nifty I'll highly recommend you to always hedge your position if you are writing. uh, let us check the option chain data. So for a bank nifty, 24,000 to 24,600 is the option activity range. Again I can see a fresh bullish position, and as we progress on a higher side, I can see the change in open interest is getting more aggressive. Maximum change in open interest percentage wise has also taken place at the 24,600 level. That is also suggesting that bank nifty market participants are also expecting a good move to continue in a bank nifty. Now just wait and let me tell you how much extension, how much what is the strike price, maximum strike price that you should observe. So again, if you want to trade this kind of move, you can definitely go and short 25,300 call option, but do not go and trade and short this options on a naked. Always try and hedge your position. How to hedge your position, I have made a separate video, and how to do that I have definitely explained to you in detail. So 25,300 is the maximum upside what my market participant as of now is expecting. So on a put side, if we see, I can see a good amount of put writing has happened. 24,400 is a level which has seen the maximum amount of put writing as far as change in open interest in terms of percentage, and maximum change in open interest as far as actual position is concerned has happened as a 24,200 level. So again I am expecting that bank nifty should also trade on a higher side, and once the 24,200 range gets broken, next target for the bank nifty would be 24,320 or 24,327, whatever the way you should like to trade it. So consider all this strategy, consider the behavior of the indicators and option chain data. You can also trade the market as I am doing, but what you need to do, you need to learn what are the strategies that I am using, why I am using it, and what are the rationales behind it. If you understand it, if you daily watch it, and if you do not want to do any analysis by your own, you can just come and watch my video on a daily basis. If you continue do that, you will definitely get a hold of it, and you can also try and trade by yourself also. And if you don't want to do that, or you do not have that much of amount of time, you can always WhatsApp me on 9574399901. We are running a Diwali offer wherein I am offering my 6 months subscription at a very affordable rate. You will get a stock recommendation, Nifty, Bank Nifty, live market updates, and report on a Nifty and Bank Nifty on a daily basis. So that is the kind of material that I also share with my subscriber, and any update as far as my YouTube channel is concerned will definitely reach you first. So that's it for the today's video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, because this is the least you can do for me, and this is what I expect. Because if you like my videos, my video will become popular, and more viewers will come and watch my video, and that will encourage me to come up with more and more detailed strategy, or reveal much more strategies and easy strategies that I know. So make sure you like the button, and if you can give a small feedback, that will always be appreciated, because it gives me what should I do to make the videos more interesting, or which kind of content you want me to produce. So subscribe to my channel so that you can never miss any update from my side. uh, That's it for the today's video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.